Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to use the GLAM AI app easily and effectively, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install GLAM AI. First, head to your device's App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and search for GLAM AI. Download and install the app. Step 2. Create an account or log in. Open the app, then sign up with your email or log in if you already have an account. Step 3. Explore the main features. Once inside, explore features like AI makeup try-on, style suggestions, and personalized beauty tips. Step 4. Try on virtual makeup. Use the camera feature to apply virtual makeup looks. You can experiment with different styles in real time. Step 5. Save or share your looks. Save your favorite looks or share them directly on social media from the app. Step 6. Customize your profile. Add your preferences and skin type to get better recommendations tailored just for you. Tip: make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best performance and newest features. That's it. You now know how to use the GLAM AI app easily. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.